It would be interesting to see and compare the thinking systems used by adults who have gone through the traditional school system and the developmental learning system. It would also be more interesting and appropriate to use the results of a long-term formative experiment that 60 years ago aimed to create a school that would teach children to think consciously and independently. And for this, it is desirable to understand the difference between those two systems. As I said, this second system is not formed in a child. The child has only abilities, dispositions that need to be developed in the conditions of methods and time. This is exactly what Kahneman's data indirectly indicates. You might argue that Kahneman's study was conducted on adults, not children. Yes, the study examined the behavior of adults, but they most likely went through the traditional education system because there was no other. The traditional education system, as we know it, is not aimed at developing a child's ability to make conscious choices, at developing the full structure of a child's learning activity, including the ability to set goals and independently evaluate results according to clear criteria from the first day of school. It is not aimed at forming a holistic personality. I would like to emphasize once again that the ability of think theoretically, or Kahneman's second slow system of thinking, does not develop spontaneously. If this ability is not developed, it will remain only a possibility for most children who were capable of it. And I would like to take this opportunity to support those teachers who are doing this right now, despite the circumstances. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to those teachers who create the conditions for children to develop a full-fledged structure of conscious behavior in the early school years, so that children learn to make free, conscious choices. I appreciate all teachers, and my special tribute goes to those teachers with whom I have had the pleasure of working as a developmental learning psychologist for many, many years.